Ludlow Mills, Chicopee River. Sunday before work. Good time. Over here we have the waterfall. The other night it was really cranking. Right now let's just spoon out some water. Not much, but let me tell you, it's a beautiful view. Great camping spot as well. Ludlow Waterfall. The night before, where you see the opening, so much water was just spewing and pouring out. It was so insanely crazy. Stairs go down. Ludlow Mills. The other opening over there, it's got a barbed wire fence and goes right to the other side, to Indian Orchard. Beautiful day. It's about 52 degrees, I believe, and it's absolutely so beautiful. Such a beautiful view today, let me tell you. Absolutely gorgeous. I like it when it's like this because you get to walk around, check out the spot. Just might want to be really careful because sometimes it gets flooded here and you don't want to lose any of your personal items when you're coming down here. Always be extremely careful when walking on these rocks. And I can't wait to bring my beautiful, amazing Ollie bear here. Baby, this is going to be our spot, and there's so many more spots that we can see that I'm going to show you too, baby. Absolutely beautiful. A beautiful day. Blue sky. Absolutely. Over there's my boy D-Shiz. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful hiking weather today. Earlier today, we were over at the train tracks. And we were waiting a little while, but there was no train to be seen. And after this, we're gonna go down to the waterfall behind my buddy's house, D-Shiz. And I'm about to do a video there. And I will keep you guys posted on what's going on. But absolutely beautiful today. Hope you guys are having a great day. Be sure to comment. Be sure to like. And I'll see you guys soon. Over here, we have the tunnel for sewer water, I believe, or fresh water. Oh, I gotta be careful over here, just slipped. Absolutely insane beautiful. I love it down here. This is one of my favorite spots. I've made a lot of memories down here. I used to come here with my buddy. Don't talk to him much no more, but absolutely beautiful today. Got the tunnel. What I like about this tunnel is that you want to mess around. You can yell into it and it echoes, makes a funny voice. Hello! 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 Uncle Ed! Ed, are you in there? Uncle Ed! Ed! Uncle Ed! Sorry about that, but yeah, I just like to fuck around sometimes, just have some fun, but let me tell you guys, such an amazing view over here. You gotta be here. It's absolutely so beautiful. Sunday before work. Hope you guys have a fantastic day. And I'll keep you posted for our next video, which will happen in a little while. And be sure to check it out. Like the comments, comment, do whatever you want. But absolutely beautiful here. Have a great day, everybody. Peace out.